Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to get Joker in Infinite Craft. So the first thing we need to do is we need to add in here water. And on this water right here, we need to add another water and then merge them together. And now in this combination, we have here the lake. Now since we already have that, let's put it aside and then let's add another lake right here and then let's combine them. Now we have an ocean. So for this ocean right here, let's put in here an earth and then let's combine the earth and the ocean and now we have an island. So in here, let's put here another earth and then from in there, let's put the island on the earth and now we have continent. And in this continent, let's put in here another lake. And on this lake right here, let's put in here the continent and we have US America. So since we already have that, we just need to put in here another water. And then on this island right here, let's connect them. And then from in there, let's put water on the island and now we have ship. So let's put island in here again and let's combine the island to the ship and now we have a pirate. So let's combine the pirate with America and now we have Captain America. Next thing we need to do is we need to put in here US America. Or for example, let's just try to move them and then let's put them in here and we have superhero. So since we already have superhero right here, let's put in here Captain America. And on this Captain America, let's put in here Earth. And then let's combine the superhero with the Earth and we have Superman. And now we have these two remaining. So next thing we need to do is we need to combine Captain America to Superman and we have Batman. So let's put in here Earth and we have Gotham. And since we already have Gotham right here, let's put in here and let's put in here another Batman. And now we have Joker. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.